Welcome to our tutorial on how to post tags on Twitter using your PC. Let's explore the simple steps to effectively tag other users in your tweets. Begin by typing your message in the Post Compose box on Twitter. This is where you can craft your tweet and convey your thoughts. To tag a specific account, remember to type the I symbol before the username S you wish to mention. For instance, you can say, "I'm posting on OX," to direct your message to that user. Once you have composed your tweet and included the relevant tags, click or tap the post button to share your tweet with your followers and the tagged accounts. Utilizing tags on Twitter is a great way to connect with other users, mention individuals or brands, and engage in conversations within the platform. Enhance your interactions by incorporating tags into your tweets. By following these steps, you can effectively use tags to increase visibility, connect with others, and foster engagement on Twitter. Make the most of this feature to interact with a broader audience and enhance your online presence. That concludes our tutorial on posting tags on Twitter via your PC. Implement these steps to elevate your tweeting experience and effectively communicate with your followers and the accounts you tag. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.